Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got a brand new unboxing to my channel. I've never unboxed one of these boxes before, and it is from the Bridal Beauty Co. It's got my address on the back there, but this is how it arrives in the post. If you don't know anything about the Bridal Beauty Co, it was set up in 2019 for all brides to be a one-stop place to have all the information you need for your big day, including live events, online content, and lots of different beauty boxes, including mystery beauty boxes, which is what I've gone for. I'm not getting married. I got married how many years ago? 18 years ago. So a long time ago. But that's not to say we can't have a look on this website, because they do amazing beauty boxes. Really great. I've only just recently signed up to their website, so then I had an email the other day to say they've brought in their spring cleanse beauty box, a mystery beauty box, which costs £25 and has a value of £150. I paid... it was about £30 altogether, so about £5 shipping. And this is what it looks like inside. Very pretty, really pretty. It says, "Hello beautiful." I will put a link as always down below in my description, and you'll see all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running down below, so you're welcome to take a look there. I would love to know if you've had any boxes from the Bridal Beauty Co before. I'd love to know your thoughts on it, whether you think it's worth the money, the products are good and things like that. Yeah, so we can all learn, so everyone can read the comments and we can all learn from each other. So we've got a little card here. A very smart card. It says, "Thank you for your order and supporting our small business. We hope you enjoy your purchase. Take 20% off your next order with code thank you." Oh, well, I've just shared that with you. And this is what it looks like. Comes in this gorgeous bag. It's really pretty. As in, it's not pretty, but it's nice. I say pretty a lot. It's a really nice bag. Nice, useful bag. I'm thinking hair extensions straight away. That's what I do whenever I see bags like this. There's no information in the bag. It's a mystery, so I'm guessing we'll all get random stuff. If you went for this spring cleanse beauty kit, I think that's what it's called, please let me know what you got, especially obviously if it is different to me. But in my bag I received, this is Cultured Biome Care Vitality Cleansing Milk, Refresh, Balance and Brighten, and there's 100 mils here. I haven't heard of this brand before. This gentle cleansing milk effortlessly lifts away dirt and makeup from the face and delicate eye area. Its broad spectrum prebiotic effect preserves microbiome harmony and skin barrier integrity, while a stable vitamin C derivative acts as an antioxidant that freshens, revitalizes and brightens the complexion. That sounds really nice. Formulated with glycolipids and stable vitamin C, prebiotic inulin, prebiotic microalgae. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was beautiful. Look. How cool is that? That is really cool. I love the packaging. So yeah, oh, that is so smart. That's going to look really nice down in the bathroom. We've got a bathroom downstairs. Yeah, our house is a bit weird. So that's the first one. Then I got some resurfacing pads by Rodial. There's 20 pads here. I've got their vitamin C ones that I'm using at the moment as well. I love the brand. Rodial is gorgeous. Particularly the vitamin C range. I have been in love with that range for years and years. But yeah, this is the retinol one. Next, Cordially, and this is a, oh, this is lovely, a firming cashmere cream. And there is 15 mils here. But oh my gosh, it is beautiful. It just feels luxurious. It is such a gorgeous cream. Yeah, really nice. Let's see if I can show you. Quite liquidy, so it's not like thick as in like a body butter type thickness. See? There, I put quite a bit on my hand there. Oh, it just feels so nice. It does feel really nice. So I like the fact that I got a little mini one there. So there's that. Then I got Bobbi Brown. This is vitamin enriched eye base. Moisturizes, smooths and primes, and there's 15 mils. I love the face base. It is one of my favorite moisturizers. It's just gorgeous. I love the smell. I wonder if this smells. I have tried this before. Yeah, similar. Like a lemony smell. Oh, let's see how thick this is. Oh yes, I just love the creams. They're just really, can you look there? Can you see there? Oh, if I push my fingers. Yeah, that is lovely. That is really nice. I think I've tried a teeny tiny sample of this before. It feels really moisturising. So vitamin enriched eye base there by Bobbi Brown. Happy with that. And then I've got a Nature's Journey CBD Wellness Radiance Facial Oil. Calms and restores for a natural glow. And there's 10 mils here. Yeah, nice aromatherapy smells. Roll directly onto the face and neck and massage using fingertips. Apply to cleanse skin every evening or as an occasional treat. Is that? And then lastly, I have got, oh my gosh, how on earth do I say this? Claire Deppew Beauty UV Protective Cream SPF 50. Brilliant. It's 8 mils. There. You can read it. You can see what it is. Claire de Beauty. I don't know. I just realised it's not Claire de Pew, it's de Pew. Anyway, it's an SPF, high protection, and there's 8 mils there. I have never heard of this before. Love the fact that it's SPF 50. Can't tell you much about it, except nothing but a fly behind me is doing my head in. I can hear it buzzing around, bashing on the window. I'm gonna have to let it out. I can't see it now, but if you can hear something buzzing, that is what is going on right behind you. So there you go. So those are all the products inside the Bridal Beauty Co. Spring Cleanse Mystery Edit. It costs £25 a box and the value is said to be around £150, which is a lot, isn't it? So to recap, I've got this Cultured Biome Care. It's a facial cleanser in this beautiful bottle. I've got a Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base, an eye cream. I've got Rhodial Resurfacing Retinol Patches, or pads. I've got a Nature's Journey Radiance Facial Oil. I've got a Caudalie Firming Cashmere Moisturising Cream. And then lastly, a Deppew. I am butchering the name, I'm so sorry. It's an SPF cream. And they all come in this little bag, or large beauty bag, which is handy for me to put my hair extensions in if I go away for the night or something like that. So looking at all the products, 3 of them I've tried before and I loved. So I've got the Rhodial, the Bobbi Brown and the Caudalie. So really happy I've got those again. And then the other 3 I've never heard before. So facial oil, SPF and cleanser. Yeah, I really like it. I'd love to hear what you think though, especially if you've gone for this mystery box as well. I'd love to see how it compares to mine. I'm assuming we get different things, but you never know, we might all get the same. I don't know. This is all quite new to me because I've never unboxed anything from the Bridal Beauty Co. on my channel before. If you'd like me to do more unboxings from the Bridal Beauty Co., please let me know as well. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.